People, in MoBay Israel Tech, no normal. So I go get a 16mm hose, blank. So I push the one like myself. And different size things can give you different size for your breadfruit or whatever you want water. This is the main office to show us that Israel Tech now play in MoBay. You see me? So basically that's how we stay in Jamaica good life. I'm very helpful at Israel Tech, so I'll probably get them as a sponsor. Good company, man. My breadfruit tree, nah, dead power. You mad? Tell us something. Glad Israel Tech close by everything in them. Hey, let me tell you something. Real deal. You see the whole digital system I want to go on in life right now. Me can tell any owner I want to listen to me good. The best investment right now in the world is land in Montego Bay or buy a property. There is no other investment. Montego Bay is going to become the next Miami. And I've been telling you guys, Montego Bay is going to become the next Miami, people. It's no joke, you're not seeing it. At Fairview Mall is established. The shopping, the ambience, everything is hot. Get your solar panel, get your house, your Airbnb, the beach, everything. Infrastructure. If you can buy land in MoBay or buy a property, the ease of access to everything, and buy a property in St. Mary and just all you have to do is just buy your property and you know do your thing. But me I telling them, I warning them, I'm warning them. 10 years from now, Jamaica is a different place. All the talk them a talk, they're not showing you. And my sister come from Kingston, come check out MoBay, and she was shocked. Now you can bike from Israel Tech to the beach. Everything is a driving is in one place. So right now, in order for you to get the thing up and running. Hey, I'm telling you guys, I'm warning you, but it's like when you not listen. You see me? When you not listen to me. Remember the little prophet Randy tell you no. Planting the trees, breadfruit especially, doing a thing. Don't play with the future. The future is for those who plan for it. Those who are going to benefit in the future, those who plan for the future. The mechanic, them in MoBay wicked, quick and fast, right beside the market. They will fix your transmission. I just call for Tony down there, so. Him name Tuki. I him fix up the car for me. I want me tell you something, man. From mechanic, when I fool around your thing, and if you want a key, copy your key cut Venom. We know everything now, Venom. We copy your electronic key, alarm system, the Robinson guys. We know it, Israel Tech for your hose. Your farming supply, you can go discount, or I really go, I like true value for certain things. Shopping, Tyrone get some bucket for me for $100. So I do the Jamaica thing now. The car fix of new strut, John, and him now you get your transmission from. And get it from a Jamaican owned company. So all the company, I know them. And another Chinese company if you want a nice table. I know them. Yo, I know the place. I know the discount. I know the quality. The wharf. Dennis shipping are the best in Jamaica for ship from Florida. Just make Dennis shipping clear it. Nobody go to the wharf. Do not go to the wharf. Just ship it and make Dennis shipping. Keep it at Dennis shipping in MoBay. That's how you carry your barrel if you don't want to stress if you live around here. You see me? Because clearing barrel in Jamaica is for the birds, don't do it. Right? So MoBay is becoming amazing and people are not paying attention. That's why I do these videos. And every day I keep exploring more and more places. It's great for business. and the farm is the Captain Jack farm nearby. So when you want to reach to the airport on time, you want to go to Negril, you want to have luxury, you want to have a weekend, the house that you buy in MoBay doesn't have to be a big house. Get one of them housing scheme houses and set up solar panel on it. And they have security, Hawkeye, see them there? The Hawkeye man, them and the King Alarm man, them coming. So, and then the amount of hospitals they have here that you can pay to get treatment right away are 24/7 an hour. I'm telling you something, man. Yo, me keep telling you, know, people gonna talk about crime. You go from point A to point B, you know, you mind your business, and you're good. How did all these business people survive down here, sir? Eh? How did they do it? But what they're showing you is people would mix up materials here at Jamaica. Different kind of people. Bogue Village right now are the biggest thing in Jamaica. Only don't know. I travel to Jamaica, Mandeville is second to MoBay for business. But you know, have the ease of access to everything. I'm just coming from Israel Tech for the farming thing. I'm on my breadfruit to survive. Right? So I'm gonna show you briefly, right over there, so ATL. This is where I'm gonna do this right. The post dealer is right there. Sign up for your weapon to gun right there. I'm gonna show you what Jamaica is like. Post dealer, order dealer. Right over there, so sign up for your gun. You can get a gun. Sign a permit right over there, so. That is Bogue Village entrance, one of them. Alright? Now I'm gonna bring you straight to the mechanical people then. I'm gonna bring you straight to show you through the village and thing. So this is the biggest mall in America, is right over there. It's called Fairview Mall. That mall is no joke. Alright, I'm gonna bring you straight to the Chinese shop. I'm gonna bring you to a nice restaurant to eat breakfast and drink juice. I'm gonna kinda show you right now how quick and easy it is to do business and everything in MoBay. Down to the fisherman. So everything is in one place. From the wharf, you name it, it's a drive away. It's not like the hassle in Kingston. So why do I love MoBay? Well, a lot of medical centers is here. So now we're going into Fairview Shopping Center, right? You got your car dealers. So you want to buy a car, you can buy it at the 100 car dealers. Get something good, no for worry. No thief and no little guy. Do it officially. Let me turn off the AC. So right here, so the food is a supermarket. KFC is over there. This is Fairview Mall. The agro farming store is over there. And Ashley Furniture Store. And the movie theater is over there. So what MoBay is like Miami. You never left Florida. When you live in a MoBay, you never left the States. This is little America. The Rest Dragon restaurant that is so. True Value that is so. It's an expensive hardware store, but if you want good quality machete, I would recommend you buy it there. Alright, so now Ashley Furniture. There's security in Fairview Mall everywhere to call archive. Taboo if you want a lap dance. And since I'm righteous, random and I do them things there. Yes, I'm on a rasta. Now, airdrop. Now, if you don't learn anything from me, you say airdrop. You want your stuff from America, mailed to you under $50. Airdrop. Now, MoBay hot, you know. But MoBay is this thing. So, airdrop, ja.com. That is where you want to go. The Scotia ATM is here, but I prefer to use the drive-thru. Scotch is combined, forget the restaurants. So now, I said to you, airdrop. I want me get me the chairs them that we bought were $60 on Amazon. For the weight and everything, them charge me $60 for clear it. When you go into Fairview and look for the chair them, at $300 for the chair them. So we pay $150 if you buy it at the States at $300, then sell it for Jamaica. So you have to use airdrop for clear thing. When you clear thing in MoBay and you live near airdrop is right over there. If you want your passport, immunization documents and stuff, right over there. Your mother's party, right over there. Subway, right over there. Another restaurant here. So Zoom, if you use Zoom for send money, people can pick up Zoom. So you see, my favorite place in Jamaica is airdrop. Now airdrop is where I send the packages and get them under $50. You upload the invoice to the website, right? So basically, Cambio, I don't like try to change money. I like use my debit card. So I use my Cash App card, transfer money to it, and then I use it. You see me? So basically, that is my thing. So airdrop is my thing. Oh, podcast, man. I don't want cuss no good word this morning, you know. Cause with the pound feeling, you know. I don't want cuss no good word, but so anyway, so here is this little place here, so right no little medical place here, so Companies of Jamaica Protection and Freedom. Now if you know I'm buying a good weed, Oja have the organic best quality weed in Jamaica. Oja, so them have the weed. Now you have different banks and everything over there, so and everything. So I'm giving you a tour of the mall. Where do I buy my things? So these are the places I love because in no time you can go back to Jamaica but you feel like you're in West Palm. NCB is here. So this, my friend, is Montego Bay. Security is high around here and everything is here. And then a chuck up like Kingston. And the beach, no man. Yeah. So over on this side you'll have Progressives. That's the supermarket I go. Ports is over there. And then Fontana is over there. And Fontana will give you your passport photos in case you want to get your boat license or you need photos. And they'll print your business cards and do different things for you. Radio Truck is there. CIBD Bank is here. So you see how much stuff is in one place. This Radio Shack, Optical Place, First Caribbean. Starbucks is here. Pretty nice Starbucks. And the Thai restaurant. A Thai restaurant we frequent, and the Indian. So the Thai and Indian restaurant combined in one majestic Thai, right? This is a very nice restaurant. And a wine cellar is here. So if you're in America and you want to continue the lifestyle and still have Jamaica, MoBay is the best place to be. Okay? Now my computer store, Forever Electronics, that's a good electronics place. But the computer store that I frequent is Computer Depot for your keyboards or anything. Now the 24-hour gym is right at the corner there. You could pay as you go. 24-hour gym. So right here, this is my Computer Depot. Right? That's my place right there. 365 Fitness. It's a great place. The gym, 24 hours a day. One-stop display depot in an electronics store. But JamaicaPrint.com, you can print your t-shirt here or your business cards and everything. Powerful company, and this is an electronics store. So now I'm going to show you where you want to eat your breakfast. Nice restaurant. So if you come from the airport, search for Icon Mall, and the Icon Mall is one of the better malls in Jamaica. All right over there is a G West Medical Center. So you see, if you had buy property, let's say in Bogue Village, then immediately you will have access to a hospital. So people always quarrel about, oh no, the medical system in Jamaica. Save your money. In Montego Bay, you have a complex here, G West Center. Now, if you're not using that medical center, now the FedEx office here, KPMG is here, Digital Center, what is Keys Insurance, right? So different places is here, and what is this here? Corporate, and PW, Imperial, Stationery, JWN is here. Now, what I like about this one, I think it's 24/7. Heart Institute of Caribbean at Fairview Medical Center. This you pay $150 and you just get in there, right? And then we'll assess anything that happens to you. 24-hour medical center. So if you broke your hand or something, you're good to go. Okay? Can I exit? Right? So basically, so you see how quickly the medical centers are. Now we're going to Icon Mall. You want to cut your hair and do some high-end shopping, Icon Mall, right? Now, another place, a great place, I just sent up a video. So there's a medical operating theaters, consultation, 24-hour pharmacy, urgent care. So here, save your money, at least you'll be fine. In MoBay. The great Icon Mall is what I always talk about, right? And right beside the Icon Mall, we're gonna go into the store there to show you where the Chinese store is that I just discovered. So overall, I rate MoBay big on the scale of business. The beach, but you want to buy someplace in St. Mary, build a cabin on that land so you can get away for the weekend in the country. Now this store right here, Hua Square, this store, Hua, this I want bad store right here. So them have everything. All a boat me I go buy for $40,000. Them have everything. So them not even pull out the bicycle limit. So hopefully we're gonna go in here and go look at some stuff real quickly so I can get an idea. And after we go in here, we're gonna go to Icon Fairview Mall. This is the place where this is the best ambiance as far as lifestyle, shopping, and you want to feel like you're back in the States. Icon Fairview Mall. Google that. And Google Hua Square. So yeah, we're going over Fairview now. So I'm showing you guys the battery's gonna run out. I'll get the car, you know. Yeah. I remember I said I ain't gonna set up a nice pharmacy. Just gonna walk through real quick and show you guys because we're driving, we're walking, we're showing you how Jamaica is in Icon Fairview Mall. One place that I love to come for the ambience and just the vibe, barber shop and things. See? Once you come in, all different world. Feel my love, put out your pants down, my love. Is it? Yeah. You know, see, fashion just like here. The States, pharmacies right there, shopping and stuff. Now we'll go through all the stores in. There's the funny, and there's shops and everything. There you go. So now this is the famous shoe I always show you. So a lot of people don't know. Now look at how they, over there is Vogue, Everybody have on their shirt for their business, their shirt. And looking down. So this is the Jamaica they're not showing you. And for the barber, you want to do your nails and stuff. This is where you come book in advance. Call and make your appointment. Good news. You get your business card. Can I get a business card? Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, as you can see, business card there. Let's super on that. Zoom in, pause the video. Good luck. Then you have a barber shop here. First again. Yes, brother. Can we get a business card? No, we don't. Okay. All right. What's the website? Fairroom.com? Yeah. All right, thank you. Auto accessories and stuff. Another office here. So this is Chris Kennedy for bill payments, public sector employees. Do you pay our water here? No? Yeah, like a water bill. Okay, so I just need the water bill account. Thank you. So you can pay water bill. So if you don't want to be in this city, you can pay your water bill here. Get your nails done. So at least you guys see, I show you, this is what MoBay looks like. And I'm gonna hopefully put the charger in the car to keep this film going. Because a lot of people probably watch the program and say, Randy, I talk foolishness about Jamaica, good life. Jamaica not good, Jamaica on to the dogs. I say, okay, all right. Okay. Okay. So Jamaica going to the dogs. Okay. All right. You're right. Yeah, sure you're right. Because everything I watch on YouTube is just crime related. Just like enough of them dance or YouTube. I didn't get up every day gossip. They don't have no education. The people here that are educated, they mind them business and go about them business. The Chinese people who own the whole of this. Them just buy a place and make it them base and chip things from the wall. So, remember to know what I do. See the HS? Hua Square. When I check it out, be there. So I promote things for free now. I show my people them say, yo, so around there say, that's why ignition on. So now, there is my charger thing. It look like so them take my charger thing. Alright. So I'm showing you on the tour. We need a carrier, people. And buy a carrier for me. One of my funds, and then I'll take you on a tour. What do I need for you to buy out me? I need a lot of things. Call 646 I don't like people no more. I don't know what them people stressed out, them mentally ill. They watch the channel and because them know some cool and thing and relax and happy. They want some more happiness. But you're not going to pay. Sometimes, no man, I'm just going to waste my time with people who are going to stress me later on. Yeah? And them say something easy, them things are easy. And easy, you know? And man. If people come around me, I have to run back and stay stressed out because I move fast. Things to do, them things I'm gonna sit down and wait till they wake up and take them time and put out them makeup. At 5 o'clock I wake up. This Jamaica good life thing, I said, I don't think it's easy. And I get my ring. And I get a whole up a ring bang. And I sing a different song. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna wrap back around. I'm gonna show you where the nice restaurant is to eat. The breakfast is nice and clean. It's called Sweet Spice. It's right over here next to IN Mall. See that? Sweet Spice. Google it. Check that out. So today we're not gonna drive over the place because I guess. Yeah, so we stop the tour until we pick it up some more. So at least my fans and supporters are under me a door. When you want to come and rest of Jamaica, give me a call. You know, get some money up. That's what's up. So Jamaica Good Life, some MoBay, 5-star for the ambience, for the consistency, for the service. Facts of the beach nice. And the beach, you know, the beach, alright. Now, I'm going to show you something I love to do. I'm going to put out the phone in a second to do it. I love the drive-through bank. So I do more drive-through banking, you see. So me's a drive-through banker. You know, and the best with proper spice food, that would be in Flanker. So them call me the drive-through banker. You know. Going through my car. Alright. So right over there, so Scotiabank. So that's where I'll drive through. Right now I can't go to market. I'm gonna have to park it at the bank. I have to wait in the line to get some cash. We'll do it another time. Fairview over there, so place nice place and everything. So see, a drive-through bank is what I love to use. See it first. Don't get bruised. So basically, I'm telling you, this is just the beginning of the journey. One day I'll do a tour now to other places to show you the vibration. You see, so we start off the journey with Tech. So that's my drive-through bank. You know. So the car have new struts. The car spark plug change. The car run nice. Oil change. So I'm ready to do road now. Over there, remember we come from over there, them at Wendy's. At Plum you buy your SIM card for $1,000 flow. Sometimes they're not if you ID, so then you're not linked to the actual account. So I'm like Plum, $8,000 flow on charge you for account and all that thing. You just go Plum and buy a SIM card, put it in your phone. Movie theater is there, scratches as we saw before. And this is a school right here, Herbert Morrison Technical High School. So that's a high school there. Up that way you'll find the city. You'll find I like the city place. It's a glass brook. We had to change our glass. You go to Dr. Glass. That's a place to change your glass. At Dr. Google, Dr. Glass for your glass. All them people I'm gonna get sponsorship from it. I just want to set up the thing, you know, because a lot of business here you guys don't know about. But even though MoBay is hot and it's not like Mandeville, for somebody who wants to do business and stuff, you know, do two things. You better buy something in St. Mary, and so on and so forth, and MoBay. You could rent it out Airbnb and MoBay quicker than anywhere else because it's tourist friendly, right? So yeah, man. tire warehouse. I use them to change my tires. So everything, and it's not like Kingston, Mandeville, you can't find certain things. Yeah. So we'll pick this up soon. Peace and love.